Hello students, today we are going to learn module 5 from our English grammar composition book. In this module we will learn word dictation, names of fruits and vegetables, adjectives of quality, paragraph writing. So everyone take out your grammar composition book and start to write with me, okay? So the first exercise is word dictation. So first word is strong, then second word is fight, then third word is village, fourth word is break, fifth word is sharp, sixth word is clever, seventh word is taste, eighth word is always, and ninth word is gold. Exercise 2.1. Find the names of these fruits and vegetables in the puzzles. So we found cabbage, pear, peas, apple, orange. Then exercise 2.2. Match the pictures to their names. Students, here first picture is already matched there. So we have to match second picture with the E, cherry. Then third picture with the option A, capsicum. Then fourth picture with the option F, cauliflower. Then the fifth picture we have to match with the option D, strawberry. And sixth picture we have to match with the option B, lady's finger. Then next is the grammar part, adjectives describing words. Read the paragraph given below, underline the describing words and say which nouns or pronouns they describe. 3 members of my family and I went on a picnic. We were very happy. We had big smiles on our faces. We had taken fresh fruits and tasty food with us on the picnic. I had a lovely day. So students, in this paragraph we have to underline the describing words first. That is the 3, happy, big, fresh, tasty and lovely. These all words are describing words. Describing words tell us more about nouns or pronouns. Describing words are also called adjectives. Adjectives that point out the quality of nouns or pronouns are called adjectives of quality. So students, let's we see some examples. Here it is the quality of crow is the color, black crow. This is the adjective of crow. Then we can see in the second picture crown is there. So the quality of crown is look. And the adjective of crown is beautiful, beautiful crown. Then in the third picture church is there. So the quality of church is sound. So the adjective is quiet church. Then in the next picture we can see room is there and the quality of room is size. So according to size the adjective of room is big, big room. And in the next picture we can see clock is there and the quality of clock is shape. So according to shape the adjective of clock is round, round clock. In the next picture we can see lollipop is there and the quality of lollipop is taste. So according to taste, sweet is the adjective of lollipop, sweet lollipop. Then in the next picture we can see morning view is there. So the quality of morning is weather. So according to weather, the adjective of morning is snowy, snowy morning. Then in the next picture we can see blanket is there. So the quality of blanket is touch. So according to touch, the adjective of blanket is soft, soft blanket. Then in the next picture we can see child is there and the quality of child is behavior. So according to behavior, the adjective of child is naughty, naughty child. Then in the next picture we can see flowers are there. So the quality of flower is smell. So according to smell, the adjective of flowers is sweet smelling flowers. Let's we see the next exercise, exercise 3.1. Look at the pictures given below. Fill in the blanks with adjectives of quality from the box that match the pictures. So in the first picture we can see there is the happy children. Then in the second picture we can see broken cup. So we have to write there broken. Then in the third picture we can see white flower. So we have to write there white. Then in the fourth picture we can see candy is there. So the adjective of candy is sweet. So we have to write there sweet, sweet candy. Then in the fifth picture we can see the boy is balancing heavy books. So we have to write there heavy. Then in the next picture we can see tired man is there. So we have to write there tired. Then exercise 3.2. Underline all the nouns. Circle any adjectives of quality that describe the nouns. 1. I love my blue dress. In this sentence, blue is the adjective and dress is the noun. Then second sentence, Zenith found a shiny coin. So in this sentence, Zenith and coin, two nouns are there and shiny is the adjective. So we have to circle it. Then next, Naitik got a pretty doll on his birthday. So in this sentence, Naitik, doll, birthday, three nouns are there. So we have to underline it, and pretty is the adjective. So we have to circle it. Then 4. The old man crossed the road. So in this sentence, man and road, two nouns are there. So we have to underline it, and old is the adjective. So we have to circle it. Then 5th, the funny clown made us laugh. So in this sentence, clown is the noun. So we have to underline it, and funny is the adjective. So we have to circle it. Then the next sentence, Chris cleaned his dirty room. So in this sentence, Chris and room, two nouns are there. So we have to underline it, and dirty is the adjective. So we have to circle it. Everyone have to complete this exercise as it is, okay? Then the next exercise is 3.3. Draw a star above the describing words in these sentences. First sentence is the ripe mangoes fell off the tree. So in this sentence, ripe is the describing word. So star is there. Then second sentence, the fat cat is sitting on the mat. So in this sentence, fat is the describing word. So we have to draw star above this word. The next sentence, the kind man helped a woman. So in this sentence, kind is the describing word. So we have to draw a star above this word. The next, the birds on the trees sing sweet songs. So in this sentence, sweet is the describing word. So we have to draw a star above this word. Then the next sentence is Rima is walking on the narrow path. So in this sentence, narrow is the describing word. So we have to draw a star above this word. Then the next sentence, the old tree looks very strong. So in this sentence, old and strong, two describing words are there. So we have to draw two stars above these words. The next part is the writing part, exercise 4. Look at the picture given below. Write a short paragraph about this picture by completing the sentences. Christmas comes in the winter season. There is a fire burning in the fireplace as it is very cold. The family is happy to be together. They have decorated their windows with lights. There is a Christmas tree with bells and stars. There are many presents on the floor. The family is laughing and talking. They are giving gifts to each other and celebrating Christmas. Here it is the hour this lesson is completed. Everyone have to complete it in your English grammar composition book and notebook. Okay?